Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the subtle single crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, how to work in the front loops, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're then going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to be making single crochet stitches, but we're going to be working in the front loops and the back loops of each stitch. So if you turn your work and you look at the top of your stitches, this loop closest to you is the front loop. And then this loop farthest from you or at the back of your work is going to be the back loop. So we're going to be alternating making single crochet stitches into the front loop of a stitch and then the back loop of the next stitch. So into this next stitch, you're going to make a single crochet only using the front loop of that stitch. Into this next one, you're going to make a single crochet only using the back loop of that next stitch. And then we're going to start repeating that. In the next one, you're going to make a single crochet in the front loop. In the next one, you're going to make a single crochet in the back loop. In the next one, you're going to make a single crochet in the front loop. In the next one, you're going to make a single crochet in the back loop. So you would now alternate by making 1 single crochet into the next stitch using the front loop, and then a single crochet in the next stitch using the back loop until you reach the last stitch of this row. When you reach the last stitch of your row, work 1 regular single crochet like normal into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to be making 1 regular single crochet stitch into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the subtle single crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.